Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2017 Ram 2500. It has chrome wheels and it does have the steps on the side. This is a mega cab, so you've got tons of room inside. It has the 6-foot 4-inch bed, and it also has a tonneau cover on top. In the back, it does have the tow pack, and this is an SLT. This is a one-owner, clean Carfax, so it will be a certified vehicle. This is a 4x2. Inside, it does have power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. It does have automatic headlights. It's got Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control. It has the 5-inch touchscreen radio, AM, FM, and satellite. It does have the trailer tow brake and the exhaust brake. This does have the diesel gray interior with a manual seat. And in the back, you'll notice all this room. You could actually put an air mattress back here if you were doing any kind of traveling. It's got hooks in the back to hang bags on. And it does have a power rear sliding window. If you'd like more information on this vehicle, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. It's a beauty and it's got just under 22,000 miles. Call me.